Welcome back to KidsTok. Let's solve some fun and easy addition problems together. Are you ready? Let's start. What is 2 plus 3? Wow, it's correct. 5. What is 4 plus 4? Great! It's 8. What is 5 plus 5? Yes, the answer is 10. What is 6 plus 2? Correct. It's 8. What is 3 plus 7? Well done. It's 10. What is 8 plus 4? That's right. 12. What is 7 plus 7? You got it. 14. What is 7 plus 9? Awesome! 15. What is 6 plus 7? Yes, it's 13. What is 10 plus 5? Awesome! 15. What is 9 plus 10? Good job, it's 19. What is 6 plus 11? That's right, 17. What is 14 plus 4? Correct answer, 18. What is 12 plus 9? Nice work, 21. What is 13 plus 14? You nailed it, 27. What is 17 plus 8? Awesome, it's 25. What is 11 plus 18? Yes, the answer is 29. What is 24 plus 7? Well done, 31. What is 17 plus 22? Right again, 39. What is 19 plus 16? Wow, 35. Great work. How many answers did you get right? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more fun quizzes with KidsTok.